Hello everyone, welcome to TRCAC EduVedha. I am Miss Sarvari Rangila, an assistant professor at Thakur Ramnarayan College of Arts and Commerce. Today we are going to study the complete syllabus of 12th standard for the subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy. So here we begin. So can you all recall what exactly we have studied in our 11th standard? Socho. Okay, yes. If you will recall, 11th standard syllabus of bookkeeping and accountancy was completely basic. उसमें आपने पढ़ा था आपका introduction, bookkeeping and accountancy. Then the major chapters were journal, ledger, coming to various chapters, and the final one was final account. Correct. So if you have noticed one thing in this chapter and the syllabus, the complete chapter was belong to the concept of sole proprietorship. Yes. Now you all have gone to 12th standard. Along with the syllabus, we are also moving ahead. So if you will see the syllabus of 12th standard, the major concept covered in 12th standard is of partnership. Yes. So the very first chapter of your 12th standard is Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Account. Now you all know what do we prepare in our final account. Yes, we prepare trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. The difference between the 11th standard final account and 12th standard final account is that in your 11th standard there was sole proprietor, एक ही partner था. But when you are moving to your partnership final account of 12th standard, here you will be having either 2 partner or 3 partner. So that is the difference. So this is the concept of Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Account. Chapter number 2 is Accounts for Not-for-Profit Concern. Now when you think about not-for-profit concern, exactly आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है? Yes, you are right. It is about NGO. So we get to prepare the income and expenditure account of any NGO followed by their balance sheet. There are some rules also over here which we will learn in the chapter itself. Okay? Chapter number 3 is a topic reconstitution of partnership firm. उसके अंदर का एक सब topic है that is admission of partner. Now you see in partnership there are 3 things which are possible. I'll tell you. आप एक नया partner लेकर आओगे, आपका कोई existing partner business छोड़कर जाएगा या किसी की death हो जाएगी. और इन सबसे परे एक और चीज हो सकती है which is the partners are not ready to run the business, so that will end the business, which is known as dissolution of partnership firm. So chapter number 3 is admission of a partner. When a new partner is entered into the business, what accounts you prepared over here? So here you prepare your profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, and followed by a new balance sheet. Yes, a new balance sheet, क्योंकि already एक balance sheet exist करती थी. Correct? Similar concept for retirement of a partner. Difference ये है कि वहां पर partner आया था और यहाँ पर partner जा रहा है. So retirement of partnership firm, that is chapter number 4. Coming to chapter number 5, that is death of a partner. Okay, there will be little changes in the rule, but the accounts are similar. That is profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, followed by a new balance sheet. Clear? Now when the partnership concept ends, we have a chapter that is dissolution of partnership firm. Suppose if the partner does not want to work together for any XYZ reason, so they dissolve the partnership firm. So there is a proper procedure how a partnership firm is being dissolved. The accounts prepared here are realization account, partners capital account, and the last is cash/bank account. Make sure we don't prepare balance sheet in our this chapter. Why? Because the partnership is getting close. The business is getting close. Very clear? Yes. Now coming to chapter number 7. It is a journal-based chapter, mostly liked by many students. And the name of the chapter is Bills of Exchange. When we do trading, we exchange bills. Correct? So, bill receivable, bills payable. The complete chapter based on the study of bill, and it is a purely journal-based chapter. Chapter number 8 is again a journal-based chapter, and it is my favorite chapter. That is issue of share. How a company complete the process of issuing of share. So that completely belongs to a journal entry, and what is the procedure, how needs to be clear out. It is all given in this chapter. Purely journal based. No accounts need to prepare for it. Coming to the next chapter, it's a theory and a little practical base chapter, that is analysis of financial statement. Okay, what do we do over here? Here you prepare a vertical format. Now you all will be wondering what is a vertical format. So this is a different format of a balance sheet. Here you prepare comparative statement, okay, and also there are some ratios you study. So anyone can come in the examination. It is theory plus practical. It is easy, but most of the time people avoid it because you have a better option. I'll tell you what. And the last chapter, number 10, is a very interesting chapter. It's a complete theory chapter. The name of the chapter is Computer in Accounting, and it comes for 8 marks. Now what you have to study in this chapter? Importance of computerized accounting system, features of computerized accounting system, and distinguish between the manual accounting system and computerized accounting system. From this 3 question, any one question will come. You have to write it theoretically and you will get 8 marks for it. Okay, so that is the option which has been always given rather than analysis of financial of account. Okay, now moving next, I'm also going to explain you the paper pattern. Okay, so get ready for it. So coming to the paper pattern, the very first question, the complete paper consists of 7 questions. The very first question is objective, purely objective. Okay, and you are going to score 20 marks for it. Now this 20 marks objective are going to come in different section A, B, C, D, 5 marks for each. The types of objective covered is either filling the blanks, multiple choice, true or false, answer in one word, answer in one sentence, match the following, find the odd man out, draw a specimen of bills of exchange, anything. You have to solve all this question and you will score 20 marks. Here I want to focus on one thing. Many a time student feels that accounts is really hard. What if I say you can pass in your accountancy just by studying the objective? You don't believe me? Let me be very clear. You have 20 marks ABT examination which is taken by the college itself. Am I right? Suppose you study objectives very well. So you will score 20 marks in your ABT plus objectives of your HSC Board Examination. So you will score 20 marks. Now imagine you are getting 40 merely by studying the objectives. So students, it is all strategies, tricks and tactics what make you pass. So please follow it. Okay, so yes, objectives are very important. So the first question belongs to your objectives. Question number 2 will give you option. Either you have to do admission of partner or you have to do retirement of partner. Now both the options are very similar. You can choose any one of your choice. Both belongs to partnership and you will get 10 marks for it. Okay, question number 3 is dissolution of partnership firm along with bills of exchange. So if you are concentrating more on partnership, you can go for dissolution of partnership firm, which is very easy. Again here you will get 10 marks. Clear? Okay, moving to question number 4. Question number 4 belongs to issue of shares and your computer in accounting. This is for 8 marks. So I will focus more for computer in accounting. Why? Because without solving any sum, you are getting straightforward 8 marks. If you are writing your answer points to points, okay, so you will definitely get 8 marks. Or else, those students who don't like the theory, they can also go for issue of share, because again it is a purely journal based chapter and very easy chapter. So in question number 4, issue of share and computer in accounting. Coming to question number 5, again you have option, that is between death of a partner and analysis of financial statement. So those students who like financial statement analysis, they can go for that. It will give you 8 marks. But my choice will always be partnership, because if you are covering the concept of partnership, you can do admission, you can do retirement, you can also do death and dissolution. So that will again lies into the category of partnership, which will give you 8 marks. Coming to question number 6 and question number 7. Now question number 6 is a compulsory question and it comes from chapter number 2, that is not for profit concern. Yes, what we have to prepare, you will be getting question as payment and receipt. You have to convert, you have to make the income and expenditure account and their balance sheet. This will give you purely 12 marks. And coming to the last and the major part of your paper, that is your final account. We all are doing final account since our 11th standard. Correct, student? So here is the chance to achieve more marks. How you can do it? See, final account completely based on your trading account, profit and loss account, and your balance sheet. You are well aware with the posting, the adjustment, and also how to close the different account. I will tell you everything in detail. So here we complete the paper pattern. But I want to give you one trick. What if I will tell you that rather than completing the complete syllabus, and by studying 2 chapters, you can score 60 marks? Can you think of it? No? चलो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. Let us say you get your 20 marks in your ABT examination, which is purely objective based. Correct? सिर्फ objectives पढ़ना है आपको. So you will score 20 marks in your ABT examination taken by college. Second, in your paper itself, you are getting 20 marks objective. And you are scoring that also. So 20 plus 20, you are getting 40. You are clearing the examination. Am I right? Yes. Now the 2 chapters I am talking about, which you need to study. Let us take one. Chapter number 1, final account. If you are studying final account, so you will be able to solve question number 7 of your paper, that is final account sum, and you will be getting 12 marks. Correct? And the second chapter, just do simply the theory chapter of computer in accounting. That is for 8 marks. So computer in accounting and final account will combine give you 20 marks. So can you just see? 20 marks for ABT, 20 marks for the objective in the paper, and 20 marks with 2 chapters. So you are getting 60 marks just by studying 2 chapters. This is how the strategy has been applied. So you can think accordingly. Well, that's it for today. For more such videos, do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.